For number 8 on this review sheet, we are given the values in order of 28 elements. We want to calculate the 3 quartiles and the interquartile range, then find the approximate value of the 60th percentile and find the percentile rank of a number of 3. We could put this into our list. Remember to clear off your L2 if you used this for the previous problem which had linear regression, because we're only going to populate L1 here with all 28 entries. A quick good idea is to make sure that you do have indeed 28 entries, which you can see by the L1 28 on the screen. Hit stat, move to one variable stats again, make sure it's the proper list, and we see our average, we see our standard deviation, but we also see our minimum, our quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3 values, quartile 2 being the median, and we see the max value. So these numbers you don't have to put into a box and whisker plot, but it does help to visualize things. 0 is the minimum, 2 is the 25th percentile, or rather quarter 1, 4 is the median, or 50th percentile, or it's also known as the 50th percentile. And then 75th percentile is 5, maximum is 9. Interquartile range is going to be the value of the 75th percentile minus the 25th percentile. So 5 minus 2 is equal to an interquartile range of 3. Find the approximate value of the 60th percentile. So if we want to find the approximate value of the 60th percentile, that means in our formula, K is equal to 60. So that's going to be K 60 times the number of elements, 28, divided by 100, which gets us a value of 16.8, or the 17th term, right? That means that the approximate value of the 60th percentile is the 17th term in sequential order, and counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that's going to be the number 4. Oops, sorry, 17 over here, still the number 4. Finding the percentile rank, you can kind of think of it as a reverse, where we're looking for a data value and we're trying to find the percentile rank for this particular value inside the data. So again, the reason why this data set's given to you in order is because we need to find this number 3 right here and count how many values are below this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values below this. So that 9 gets divided by the total number of elements, 28, multiplied by 100, gets us 32.14. This indicates that this value of 3 is in the 32nd percentile, and this means that 32% of the data is below that value of 3.